Hello everybody, I am Shreyas Atre, an Electronics and Telecommunications undergrad from Veer Mata Jizabai Technological Institute from Mumbai, India. And it was very challenging to participate in Riders paintball competition. My approach towards it was steering the robot once it's near the shooter's vicinity and simultaneously handling its course using the PD controller and uh, few more techniques like that. Thank you.
Hello Riders fans, my name is Walter Padovan and I'm from Italy. I am a fan of robotics, so I can definitely be considered a maker, and I share this passion with my family and my robotics team, especially with participation in robotic competition in Europe. I met the Riders platform about 10 months ago, and since that day I have been participating in many competitions and in the 2021 league. My strategy, as for real competition, is to find an easy solution and then improve the algorithm. I mainly use two solutions. The first one is to modify and improve the basic algorithm step by step. The second one is to use the algorithm already used for real competitions with the necessary adjustments. For instance, in the paintball June 2021 competition, where I got the second place, I used these steps. First, read and understand the basic algorithm. Second, find a simple solution, and I choose to move the robot to the center of the competition field, also using the blue line as a reference. Third, increase the firing frequencies of the balls. And finally, fine-tuning of the speed and angle of rotation. Definitely, my overall experiences on user-friendly Riders platform is funny and positive. Also because with simulation, you can quickly modify and restart your program. A big hello from Italy, and I hope to see you soon in new competition. Bye bye.
Hi, I'm Michel, coming to you from the Riders team to talk about the June Paintball Challenge. In this challenge, you compete against the AI, and in next month's challenge, we will compete against other human players. Your score is based on number of hits against the AI and number of hits they have against you. Also, time is a factor, so your best outcome is to win 10-0 as fast as possible. Since the AI is not too aggressive, a good approach is to be very aggressive and chase the AI down. You need to solve a few problems. First, you need to implement some kind of pathing algorithm so you can navigate around the walls and get to the AI quickly. Second, you need accuracy. This means only shooting when the opponent is directly in front of you. But consider distance. The further away they are, the more accurate you need to be. Don't shoot from too far away or with a bad angle, or you'll waste your shot. But don't be too conservative. Sometimes a little luck has to be part of a winning score. You can try to lead your opponent by calculating not where they are now, but where they will be when the shot arrives. Finally, there is a delay between shots. If you are waiting to fire again, you can try to take some evasive action to increase the chance the AI misses. But you only need to do this if the AI is pointing at you. Have fun and look forward to the human versus human competitions coming up, where sneaky tactics and defensive algorithms will be a lot more important.